Well, it's the 1st of January, first day of the new season in my book, and I love seeing what's growing in the borders now, even at this early stage in the year. And there's 3 plants next to our beloved red shed here, which are growing around this old yew stump that I just want to point out to you. We've got Bergenia ciliata, which has these lovely, slightly hairy leaves. It's essentially as of a semi-evergreen. What that means is during a milder winter, those leaves will stay in place in a sort of a stasis, and they won't really start developing and moving until later in the spring. But that's Bergenia ciliata. Leaves get significantly larger later in the spring. And then just over here, looks nothing now, but there's the most fabulous Astrantia here, which originally came from Jimmy Blake over at Huntingbrook, and he got some of this plant from Mount Venus Nursery, and this is an absolute showstopper. And just to see these leaves starting to shoot here fills me with joy, because I love this plant so much. Poking out the side of the wood here is the starts of Arum, italicum, var pictum, with those really distinctive mottled leaves. So 3 plants here. There's loads more in this little bed, and I'm going to show you those over the coming weeks as they start to motor through.